Hello, today we're going to be comparing numbers, so please take out your math page 93 and 94, lesson 4.7. Compare numbers 0 through 5. You'll need a pencil to do today's work, so let's begin. For number 1, we need to count and write and then circle the objects, okay? So in each group, they'll give us which one we're going to circle. For number 1, they want us to count and write and then circle the group that has more. So if I look at the sirens, I have 4 sirens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to write the number 4 over here as neatly as I can. And then I need to count the hats. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write the number 3 on the line. Now, which is more, 4 or 3? 4 is greater or more than 3, so I'm going to circle the sirens. For number 2, I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 radios. And 1, 2, 3 ambulances. They would like me to circle the group that has less. There are fewer ambulances than radios, so that is less. I'm going to circle the ambulances. Down here, I have 2 helicopters, so I need to write the number 2. And I have 1, 2, 3 badges. I need to circle the group with more. 3 is greater than 2, so there are more badges than helicopters. I need to circle the badges. Turn your page over and let's work on page 94. So, what I need to do here is I need to draw one more, and then I'm going to count how many I have and write the number. So currently there are 1, 2 police cars. I need to draw one more police car. It's going to be super fancy. You're going to be just so blown away by this drawing. You're not going to know what to do. Look at that. I'm even going to put a little siren on top with little blares coming out of it. Look at that. That is a thing to behold. Okay, so now I need to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3. There were 2 to begin with. I drew one more, so now I have 3. Down here, I have some police officers. I don't know. This guy looks like a pilot. I'm not sure what he's supposed to be. And another police officer, perhaps. Maybe this guy's supposed to be a police officer, too. Maybe army guy. I'm not sure who he is. But I have 3 people. I need to draw one more person. My person's going to be way basic. And here's my person. Look at that. Hello, person. So, there were 3 people. I drew one more. Now there are 4 people. All right. Oh, goodness. I have 1 dog. I need to draw one more dog. My dog is not going to be. This is so great. I'm just not good at these dog things. I always draw my animal to looking pretty much the same. So there's my German Shepherd, who kind of looks like a cat-dog hybrid. But anyway, so 1, draw one more. Now I have 2. All right. Turn your page over and let's work on the back. Okay, so on this, we're just looking at, oops, let's go back. That's not what I wanted. We were done, and I just kept going, didn't I? Sorry about that. All right, you're all done with your work, and we'll put that away, and tomorrow we'll look at that other page.